Hi, here is Philip from Untitled Help. Today I want to show you how to use a shopping list in Google Assistant. Maybe you saw my first videos where I had an old coconut and I wasn't able to crack it. So now I decided to buy a new fresh coconut. So now I will add it to my shopping list. Hey Google, add coconut to shopping list.
Okay, I added coconut.
Hey Google, what is on my shopping list?
You have 10 things on that list. They're coconut, carrot, kiwi, bananas, oranges, and 5 others.
Hey Google, send shopping list to phone.
Okay, I have sent a notification to your phone.
Now switch to my phone. So here is my phone, and now you can see I just received notification from Google Assistant. It's enough to just click and shopping list is showed, and here you can see all items in my shopping list. So when you want to add item to done, or that you already have it in your shopping basket, it's enough to swipe to the right. When you want to move, it's enough to just hold, and then you can move and change order of your items. So as I said, swipe to right and move to done. When you want to remove or delete item, it's just enough to swipe to left. I use sorting by category because in grocery shops or supermarkets there are some sections and this food is together, so it's for me better for shopping. Down you can see all ticked items, and you can return them back to your shopping list. You can access to your shopping list also from Google Home application. You just click to mic icon and you say just shopping list, and Google Assistant will show you shopping list up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.